Cheers from Crystal Castle.
How lucky are we?
So lucky. Look at that big crystal in the background.
It's amazing.
You should see our view right now. That's our view. Crystals all around us. Cheers.
Yes.
If you haven't been to Crystal Castle, it's pretty much just a big garden and rainforest with crystals and healing modalities scattered throughout. This is the drive to Crystal Castle. Bit of an uphill trek, but I love it. Get some beautiful views. Here, number 1. We've got all those numbers. They're the owners, I think. Giant crystals in the garden.
Rose quartz. It's like hug a tree. Hug a crystal.
Like a crystal. Oh my god, the first pretty crystal.
Amethyst.
Oh my god, it's so pretty and sparkly. Already made my first purchase. Couldn't help myself. I'll show you what I got when we're done with the Crystal Castle. In here? In here? I think it is. Wow, look at the sink.
Oh.
Look at these sinks.
Wow.
That's so cool. Is this the rose quartz?
That's my favourite one.
Look at that. Oh my god. Washing my hands in luxury here. They look so pretty. Amazing. Apparently these are the best views in the Byron Shire.
Whoa. Stunning. Yes, so going down there. But first, coffee.
Look at the cups, they're filled with crystals.
This is like my total favourite already. We've only been here 5 minutes.
Oh my god, does that have a leaf stuck in it?
No, it's just got all these beautiful colours. I don't know. Tell you what, it makes you feel happy.
Aww. Oh my goodness, not a cloud in the sky. Drinking a cold coffee this time. Not my normal cappuccino, hot cappuccino. I could live here. Like, I feel like I'm at home.
Let's just not leave.
I don't want to leave either.
We could hide in one of the crystals when they lock up at night. They do like a crystal bowl sound healing at midday and at 3 p.m. So
What are you going to do the midday one? So when you go into Crystal Castle, you get a free crystal guidebook. And literally, it's got so much good information in there. And it's got a map at the back. And it's even got a page on how crystals are made. Oh, I thought that was my hand.
It's a beautiful book.
It is. So it's currently winter in Australia, and I've just taken my jumper off because it's hot.
It is the 3rd of July and it's 21 degrees. That's living, Barry.
Oh, you stand in front of it. So it looks like you got wings. Oh, you're cute.
Such a blonde moment. zen on, girl?
With your coffee.
Pretty excited. We're just about to start a crystal bowl sound healing and a meditation.
Just finished up with a meditation and I'm feeling very relaxed.
That was amazing. The energy here is incredible. Hey, look, we're so relaxed. I can see it in our faces. It's definitely a place to come to if you need to zen out.
And like just breathe.
We'll go eat now.
We're about to have some lunch with Garuda. That's Garuda. We brought some raw slices and it's been sitting in my bag, so oops, they're having a good time in there. Anyway, whoopsies. This shows how hot it is today.
Get into it.
Oh wow, it's more melted than I thought.
Oh. So good. Emmeline's raw, gluten-free, dairy-free and vegan-friendly.
Oh my gosh. I think I want another one.
Emmeline's, these are delicious.
Yes, we even got some apples. Oh, thank you.
Certified organic.
Oh my god, they even smell like a proper apple. F? Oh, F! I'm gonna marry a guy now, starting with F. Sorry, but whose apple core looks like that? It's supposed to look like this. You know the cartoons when they're skinny on their sides? This is Kerrie's. We've eaten the whole thing. So good. I'm excited to see the bamboo. Let's go. Wow.
What have you found?
I didn't know that. I literally saw one and was like, oh, there's only 60 cents. Oh, hang on.
So good luck.
Do you see it all?
That's so cool.
Hey, Kerrie, I want you to attempt to pronounce that.
Avalokiteshvara.
Wow. Avalokiteshvara. There you go.
Wow.
Your turn. You have a very interesting name.
So we've been here a couple of hours now. We've done a meditation.
We literally have only seen probably about a quarter of this place. There's so much more to see. Like, I just looked up there. I think that's maybe the dragon egg. Like
Oh, the dragon egg.
Yep.
I don't know, we're just enjoying slowing down and just taking it all in rather than just rush, rush, rush.
That's the dragon egg. So pretty.
Be so nice to do a little meditation in there.
Very sharp in here. Oh, it's so nice. This stuff's really sharp, but they've put in a really big thick rug. And oh my god, isn't it comfortable? Like,
That has to be my favourite.
me too.
It feels really nurturing. Like, seriously, I feel like grounded.
Yeah. The giant treasure chest. Are you curious on what this looks like? Check it out.
Wowzers.
So this is made from melted rock. And did you know, the longer it takes for the melted rock to cool down, the bigger the crystal? Time to check out this enchanted cave. crystal cave right now. We need to put our words on the tree.
Yes. Oh, the words are beautiful.
We're going to write like a little message on these cardboard notes, and then we're going to hang it up on the tree over there.
And we're going to manifest something beautiful into our lives.
Let's pick a colour.
I'm going to close my eyes and pick a colour.
That's a good idea.
This one, what's this?
Does it
Green.
work? Time to hang up.
You can't not come to the Crystal Castle and do this with the barrels.
Look how cute and colourful these umbrellas are. This is called the Stupa. We're just about to do the thing that I've been waiting for, the Reflexology walk. The Chinese used to do it every morning, where they walk on the pebbles, because apparently we've got thousands of nerves in our feet.
And pressure points.
And pressure points. They used to do it because it relieves like chronic pain and
stress.
Gets rid of stress as well. Look at the detail in this, how it's all carved out, and they're so little. 7,000 nerve endings in your feet.
That's a lot of nerve endings.
Yeah.
I didn't know we had that many.
Thousands.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Oh, I was actually thinking it was going to be a lot more painful. Oh, okay.
It's starting to feel it, eh?
Okay, I get it now.
Ooh.
Oh.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
it hits some nerves.
Ow.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh.
What's that?
Feels good though, doesn't it? I could do a cartwheel on this.
Oh, go on.
Oh, it's like a massage on your feet. Kerrie and I were just talking after the Reflexology walk. My feet feel like they've had like a really good massage. You know how like after a massage your feet or like your body feels really warm, and because we've just put our shoes back on and they just feel so good right now. Woo! We just got out of Crystal Castle. Now we're just going to eat a salad.
My expectations for today? Nah, out the window. Completely blew me away.
Better than what we expected. You're not only seeing crystals, but it's the feeling you get in there.
It's an experience.
You have to go to Crystal Castle because what we captured being there in person is so much more like magical. Yeah, you have to go. Anyway, we went to the crystal shop in there.
Couldn't help ourselves, could we?
First of all, I finally got a ring with a crystal on it. Just saying it's beautiful.
I really feel with crystals, you have to pick the ones that resonate with you.
What did you get, Kerrie?
Well, because I've got so many crystals and I'm an absolute fan of crystals, I decided to get the clearing essence today. It's like,
oh, it smells really nice. Oh my gosh, that's enough.
There you go. Woohoo! So anyway, it's one of those things, you know, I love these little spritzers because you put them in the fridge in summer, and when you're like really hot, you can...
Yes. And I got 3 little crystal key rings. Let me get my words out. One for me, my sister, and my mum. 3 little key ring crystals. How pretty are they? They're all like different colours too. Thank you for watching this video of Crystal Castle. Definitely recommend a visit, and get yourself some pump.
There's always pumpkin around when there's us too.
Thank you for watching, guys. All right, we're gonna leave you until next week when we upload our next video.
I was going to say, love you guys. Thank you for all your wonderful feedback, because seriously, it's been really cool knowing exactly what your feels are and what you want to see more of.
We'll see you guys.
Till next time.